In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data validation to another Google Sheets file. Data validation rules like dropdowns can be reused across different spreadsheets, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Let's begin by setting up the source file. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Under the section that says Start a new spreadsheet, click Blank Spreadsheet to open a fresh document. Once it loads, look to the upper left corner and click on the words Untitled Spreadsheet so you can rename it. Now type the name you want to give your source file, and then press Enter to save that title. Next, click on cell A1 in the grid to select it. Type in the source label you want to use at the top of your column, and then press Enter to confirm. After that, click on cell A2, because this is where we're going to build our dropdown. Now let's add the dropdown data validation rule. At the top of the screen, click on Insert in the menu bar. From the dropdown that appears, click on Dropdown. This opens the Data Validation Rules panel on the right side of your screen. Click into the first option field and type the first option you want to appear in your dropdown list. Move down to the second option field and click inside it. Now type the second option for your dropdown. To add more options, click Add another item in the Criteria section. Once a new field appears, type in the third option you want to include. Click Add another item one more time so a new field shows up. In this field, type the fourth option for your dropdown list. When all four options are entered the way you want them, scroll down and click the Done button at the bottom of the panel. Your dropdown is now ready inside the source file. It's time to create the target Google Sheets file. Open a new tab in your browser. In the address bar, go to sheets.new, which is a shortcut that opens a brand new blank spreadsheet instantly. Once it loads, click on Untitled Spreadsheet in the upper left corner so you can rename it. Type in the name you want for your target file, then press Enter to save the new title. Now click on cell A1 in the grid to select it. Paste the project tracker table into this cell. If you don't already have the table copied, feel free to grab it from the pinned comment below the video, then come back and paste it in here. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we're ready to copy the validated cell from the source into the target. Switch over to the browser tab that has your source spreadsheet open. Click on cell A2, the one that contains your dropdown. Copy that cell using your usual copy command. Once it's copied, switch back to the browser tab that has your target spreadsheet. Click on cell C2 to select it as your destination. Paste the copied cell into C2. The data validation rule will travel along with the cell, which is exactly what we want. Finally, let's confirm that the copied validation is working correctly. In your target spreadsheet, click the small drop-down arrow that now appears inside cell C2. A list of options will open up, showing all the same choices from your source file. From that list, click on In Progress to select it as the status for that row. To close the drop-down and finish the action, click on cell C3 just below it. And that's the result. Your target spreadsheet now contains the copied data validation rule inside cell C2. The cell displays the status you selected, and clicking it brings up the same drop-down options that exist in the original source file, which are Not Started, In Progress, Blocked, and Done. The validation rule has successfully transferred between the two separate Google Sheets files, and you can repeat this method anytime you need to share drop-down rules between spreadsheets without rebuilding them from scratch.